Wait, there is a code. Never mind, I'm blind. Okay. Alright. You're live, that's crazy. I said I had to put. Wait. Okay. If the stream is working in theory. In theory. Alright. Well, in that case. I need to get this back up to live. Go back. No, you're not working. Work, please. Okay. This stream's gonna be awful. One, because I'm not good at streaming, and two, because I don't know what I'm doing. But here we go. So, similar to the Minecraft clone, I've never done, well, okay, I have done some networking stuff before, but not in like a couple of years, and I'm also bad at it, so we're gonna try it. We're gonna try again. Okay. So we're using mirror for this. That's really all I have. Let's just start. Okay, so we have to create like. Okay, so So the first step is to create a mirror asset, or like a network manager, but I'm not actually seeing it in here. Is it because I moved it to like an includes folder? No, I'm still not seeing it. Hello? Well, that could be an issue. Oh, it's reloading things. Oh yeah, we're off to a great start, because it's not even here. Okay. I don't know if you could hear the streaming in the background. If you can, just ignore it. How does one do this? Like, I installed it. What if we try doing that again? Package manager. Import mirror. Yeah, I know it's already in the project, but it's not working. Alright, what if we delete it and then add it again? Oh my god. Please hurry up. I don't got all day here. Package manager. Import. I also really shouldn't start like a live stream at 10 o'clock at night. I don't know where the time went. I don't know how it became 10. It doesn't make any sense. And now we gotta wait. Okay, well, at least I have chips. No. I dropped one. Okay. I'm gonna have a stroke. Okay, look. Nope, that's not what I wanted. That's also not what I wanted. It says here, right? Wait. Oh yeah. Network manager setup. Create a new network manager from the assets. Create mirror menu. Oh wait, are we supposed to do it through here? Yeah, it is. That's not like a thing that I have. Root folder, great. Okay, so it does say it's in here. Alright. Assets create. It's not in here. It's not here. How am I? Great. This stream is just gonna be troubleshooting. Am I like missing something? Script templates. You'll be prompted. Hopefully these templates will make it easier. Well, it's not making it easier because it's not working. No, this isn't like an option that I have, you know? Read me. Oh, you have to restart. Oh, okay. Wow. So let's try restarting Unity. No, I can blame Yura for this. But it's definitely my fault. Alright, that's fine. Participants. Okay, that's not helpful. That's not what I wanted. That's just cool. Man, I just want to like... That's fine. Alright. Now! The connection to Android device failed. Oh, that's... I'm not using Android. Wait. Now can I create this? Oh my god, I can. That's insane. Okay. I don't have the thing up anymore though, so I hope this is right. So we're making like an MMORPG. So we're just gonna say MMO Network Manager. Yeah, that sounds about right. Am I able to like make it so this always stays on top or something? Like that would be really nice, you know? I just say it. No, that's not what I wanted. Oh, well, I could pop out chat and put it in here. That's not helpful to me in the slightest. Okay. I just want to be able to see chat, but I guess not because this is YouTube. Video tutorials. Not video tutorial. Okay, so we got the network manager. Create a new object in the scene. Cool. Wait, does that mean we don't... We could just... Oh, no. Make this network manager. No, apparently not, because it doesn't actually change the thing. Unity infuriates me sometimes, you know? But at least I have Pepsi. What? There's like a lot of stuff here. Oh wait, no, I guess I can't do that, can I? Because it's just a network manager. Oh no. Okay, that was a bad idea. We're gonna change this back to, we're gonna do RPG network manager. And then this is, oh god, I'm screwing it up so badly already. RPG network manager. Okay, let's stop renaming this file now. We're calling this network manager. Okay. Network, nope. Network nope. Network manager. I can spell. I can type. This is fine. Sprites. No, this is not a sprite. This is a script. This is a skirpit. Alright, there we go. Oh yeah, now it's got to compile. Okay. Oh boy. Headless builds. Auto server build. Auto connect client. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Alright, transport. A bunch of other random stuff. What if I don't want it to be scene based? If I just don't put a scene in, does that make it so it's not scene based? It might. I don't know. this works. Okay. And then we can add the network manager HUD. Cool. We're not making it. We're not gonna auto connect client. Oh wait, client build. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Player prefab. For example. Huh. Okay. All right. We're gonna. Trying to make a player. Alright. Should probably add like a sprite render so we can see this player. That's insane. We don't actually have any sprites though. Square. I'm looking at a triangle. Alright. We have like a square now. That's crazy. We can make this look at least better by look at that. Now it's gray. Alright. And I think we just add network manager, or no, not network identity. Yeah, and then we need to actually make this a prefab. We're gonna put this in the player prefab. Okay. So now, when we connect, we should get a prefab. Or not. Oh, we can't find a reference to an object of some sort. What in the world does any of this mean? Oh, there's no transport, that's why. That makes sense. Now how do I make a transport? I don't exactly know what that means. Oh no. Network. No, none of this is helpful to me. Okay. So we need to transport. But like, oh, there's probably like transport. I think the KCP was like the default one, as far as I remember. Yeah, seems about right. Yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Okay. So now if we just give this player controls, I guess. Yeah, seems about right. Okay, so in here, maybe soon we'll get past like this stuff that I don't know anything about, and then we'll be good. Update. Okay, so this needs to be a network behavior instead of a mono behavior, and it's not working correctly because of course it's not. Why would it? You can't expect your game engine to work, I guess. Alright, that's fine. We can just fix that real quick. For some reason it like changes this back to open by a file extension every time, and it annoys me a lot. Because none of it works. Okay, network behavior. Is that working? No, because they're not using meter. Okay, there we go. Now, if is not local player, then return. So we're not doing that, and then we can just simply say input.get axis raw horizontal And same with vertical. And we can just kind of put this here, float X input, float Y input. Alright. And then we can just say transform dot position. Serialized field, float, player speed, and we'll just take like a rigid body, and then start. Grab the rigid body. No, that's not what I wanted. And then, nope, that's also not what I wanted to do. Okay, and then we just do fixed update. No, not fixed join. Fixed update, which apparently isn't a thing. Boop. Okay, there we go. Or Tissy. I don't know if that's Tiki, whatever, however you pronounce that. Hi. Alright, fixed update. Oh, you know what? We can put this stuff up here instead. Well, that's just not what we needed to do. What type of game are you developing? An MMORPG, sort of. No, it's more like a Pokemon mixed with like a gacha game. I just kind of did it because I wanted to try making like a game with a dedicated server, and this seemed like a relatively simple one because you don't necessarily need to like do physics and stuff like that on the server. So I decided to do that. So it's like Summoner's War mixed with Pokemon, basically. Alright, fixed input, we'll just do rb.velocity equals new. HM TC, okay. LMAO only TC, or HM, or I'll just call you HM. Easy. Okay, X input times player speed, Y input times player speed. Cool. That should work. Oh, okay, I'm not getting errors. That's good. I'm about to have a stroke. All right, here we go. Oh, that did not work at all. There's no rigid body. Oh, that makes sense. Rigid body. Okay, rigid body 2D. Okay. Why is it going down? Oh, because it has physics, or it has gravity still. I do not want you to have gravity. Okay. Now it should work. Whee. Okay, that's cool. Next up. Okay, so we need to make sure that the data is into network behavior, blah, blah, blah. Make important members variables into sync vars. Alright. I don't know what that means. We gotta make sync vars. Yeah. Here's what we're gonna do. We can make this a sync var, I guess. Wow, we can move it now. True. Except if we actually build this, we're gonna turn this off for now. So we can build it. We can actually build it as a dedicated server too. But we're not gonna do that for now. We're gonna build Windows, blah blah blah, build and run packages, test for now. We're gonna actually try like playing it. We're not playing it. I mean, there's not really much gameplay, but you know, we can run it and move around. But it's not gonna work. Alright, state synchronization. Sync for what the heck? What is a sync event? Hold on. Synchronization, sync dictionary. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, okay. Well, that's not really what I wanted to do, to be honest. Well, there we go. We can move our little cube around, and we can connect on the client and move our little cube around, except that nothing's actually going to update. It's just kind of going to stay this. It doesn't work right now. And there's also no way to close out of this. Okay, we need to change. We need to change some project settings real quick. Alright. Timeline? Okay, whatever. Player, we're gonna do full screen. No, we're gonna do windowed. 720 by, what is it? 1280 by 720. And it is resizable. Okay. So now we can open more. What do we need to do? Sync to owner. Wow, this is confusing. Let's go back to the getting started. Make sure that important actions are performed somewhere else. Okay. Why making the multiplayer part where it looks so interesting yet so boring at the same time? Yeah, well, I'm sure it would be slightly less boring if I actually knew what I was doing. Okay. Tell you what. We can, at the very least, do this for now. We can apply like a network transform. I don't know what the reliable versus unreliable means though. Sync interval. 0 means immediately if changed. 0.5 is only one every. Okay, I think we're gonna do the 0.5. Or not, because it's not gonna let me. Okay. Unreliable. Is this just using UDPs? I don't know, man. Sync interval. Why can't I change it? Server to client. Client to server. I kind of want to try to do a 1v1 online tic-tac-toe. I could do that. Although, it might be hard with like the servers and everything. But I do have like a tic-tac-toe game that I made in the past. It even has like an AI that's impossible to beat. It's great. Alright. What am I doing? I don't know. Well, I didn't want this to be instantaneous because that's just gonna not go well. Sync direction, client to server. Client, this is obsolete. Okay, sync, wait, client authority was replaced with sync direction. Oh, okay. I haven't done this in so long. Oh, that's how you discover my channel? That's cool. That was an old video. It's funny, like, watching those videos. Like, it doesn't feel like that long ago. But, like, listening to my voice from back then, it was, like, so much higher. It was only, like, a couple of years ago, though. I'm like, how? Like, I don't know. But I think... I don't really remember that video, like, how it was. But I feel like I was proud of it when I did do it. I think it was good. I don't know. Oh, no. Oh, it works. Look at that. Okay, so the only problem with this right now is that it's extremely easy to hack. But at the same time, I don't necessarily want to like because it's an MMORPG and I'm not going to have very many resources. I don't want to like run the transform on the, or I don't want to run all the physics on the server. Because that's stupid. I don't know. I don't really know. Like, because there is a rigid body component on here. Hmm. I don't know. That doesn't really matter. This will work fine. 2 squares moving. I love that. Yeah, it's really riveting gameplay. It's I'll give you the next big thing. Okay. So now we can start doing other things. That was like the basics. That was like we have cubes moving around, or squares, not cubes. And now we can make servers. I meant to make like the server structure and then I never did it. So this is gonna be interesting. But that's okay. So what we're gonna do, you make me want to create something, then create something. We can learn mirror together. Okay. Huh. This is, so we have this, except it's just incredibly insecure. I guess because we could run the physics, but that's a lot of work, or a lot of memory and stuff. Resources, yeah, that's the word. I don't know, we could do something else. Send rate, it doesn't need to send every 20 seconds or 30, whatever it is. Slow paced games like Eve. We'll use 30. I gotta figure out how to like manage the resources and all that then, but that's a later issue when we actually have a server. Okay. Now, I guess, like, how is this gonna work? I don't even know. So, once it spawns in, like, the player needs data and stuff, you know? Like, this is like this is hard. Asset ID, server online. I love how people text me right as I'm streaming. Not any time before that. It's the only time I get texts. Okay. Player speed. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. This is the hard part. So first of all, I think I want to make the player object separate from like the player network object. That is a folder though. That is not an object. I don't think we can create an object through there. Okay. Player. Network player. And this is going to be our network identity. Okay. And then the prefab. Well, it helps if we actually make it a prefab first, I guess. Oops. Okay. Network player. Okay, there we go. And we can make this the player object. Network player. Okay. Network behavior. So the only the hard part about this is that we have to like get an instance of this, I guess. Player controls player object prefab. And then in start, we need to do like server spawn. I don't even. Server spawn. Oh, great. Okay. What? Where's the network manager script? Script. Okay. I still named the folder wrong. Okay. Oh boy. Client system callbacks. Called on the client connected to the server. On client connect. Okay. Alright, that's fine. We're gonna. This is a network manager. We can do. So this is only on the client, right? Prevents the server from running this method. To run this function. No warning is printed. Yeah, do that. Client callback. So this should just run on the client. Now we can do server, or what is the command? I think that's what I need. Call this from a client to run this function on a server. Make sure to validate input, etc. It's not possible to call this from the server. Okay, that's fine. Public void spawn player object. And I think I need like a connection ID or something. No, or not. I don't know. Client? Like, I don't really know. Network client. You know the screaming in the background. Network client dot connection ID. No, that's not it. What is it? TCP, UDP. Wow, that's crazy. Guides. Wow, I don't know what's going on. I thought it was a dog barking. No, that is a human screaming. Basic. Okay. That is not. Alright. Where's like a. Hold on. I'm like trying to find something here. No. That's not what I want. Where's like network identity? Is that what I need? Network identity dot. Okay, no, clearly that's not what I want. Or. Oh, great. Dot. I don't know how to do this. Hold on a second. This is. I also can't find. There was like a guide thing. I don't know where it is. Guides, authority, IDs. Oh, wait. Nope, that's not it, apparently. Attributes. Time synchronization. Alright, after. Oh boy. Okay. Stress is 0. Oh. Data types. Network identity. Okay, but how do I get the identity? That's what I want to get. This dot identity. Oh wait. Oh, great. That was actually what I needed to do. Network identity. Spawn. Spawn something. RPG network manager. Whoa. Dot spawn. There's like, okay. Dot singleton. Spawn. Oh yeah, no. Okay. Like, there's like a spawn object thing. I'm supposed to go to sleep, so I'm gonna try. See you in like 10 minutes or 10 days. Who knows? My girlfriend's going to kill me if I wake up at 3 p.m. again. Alright, see ya. Thanks. Alright. Okay. Authority. Oh, network. It's literally just network server dot spawn. Okay. Network server dot spawn. Player object prefab. Identity. Dot game object. Ooh. What do you mean? Cannot convert type player control. I just casted it. I just casted it. A game object though. Do we like wrap the entire thing in parentheses? Why? Okay, spawn. Oh wait, does it need to like create a new instantiate? Player object prefab vector 2.0. Oh, quaternity. Nope, not quality level. Quaternity, not quaternity. Yeah, that was right actually. Okay. Game object. Whoops. Game object. New player object. Okay. So. Player controls equals player object equals spawn player object. No, I guess it doesn't really need that, does it? Network identity. No, just net ident. Unique network ID. Game object. Return new player object. Can't convert. Oh. Dot get component player controls. Okay. Seriously. No. Okay, there we go. Now, no, what do you mean? What do you mean it doesn't return a value? It does return a value. What? Oh, spawn player object cannot make it use void instead. Well, that's not helpful, is it? So it can't return a value. So I can make it like spawn an object, but I need to like I don't understand. Oh, oops. So I put this in here. Then is this gonna work? That's crazy. However, I can't move it. Okay. So if it is not the local player, true if this is, oh, if not has authority. is owned, apparently. This is the new one. Is owned is true if the client, on the client. Okay, that's cool. So basically, if it owns it, maybe. If it's not. Oh, crazy. We can move the cube again. Okay. Only problem is that we still don't actually have access to it here. Though I think if I just do client, what is a remote procedure call? Client RPC public void return player object game object player object. New player object. Now the only thing is it's gonna set it to all of them. I don't want that. That's okay. Okay. How do I make it? Okay, I don't know how to do this. I want to see this is owned by like something. .get component network behavior dot owned, then player object dot or equals this dot player object equals player object. Oh my god. Dot get component player controls. I should not have streamed this. I don't know what I was thinking. Debug.log changed player object plus player object name. Or no, just player object. Okay. Cool. Let's try this again. Oh no. Alright, call function player spawn object. All. Wait. What do you mean without authority? How do I give it authority? Command. Make sure to validate input, etc. It's not possible to call this from a server. Use a wrapper from another function. If you want to call it from the server too, okay. Target. This is an attribute that can be put on methods so that it will be invoked on clients from a server. Like the client RPC. Oh, okay. Wow. So target RPC is better for this then. Target RPC. Commands. Commands are sent from player object on the client. Okay, whatever. For security commands, you only assign your player object by default. Okay. Oh. I see. So essentially, it's because of this. If not, oops, okay. So that's just because it's calling it on multiple things it doesn't need to be calling it on. Called return player object on object on connection ID net identity dot ID just an ID. That should work, right? So if I press play here, okay, connection ID 1 and change player object. Cool. If I build and run this, and then try it again, then in theory, things should work. Okay. Boop. And boop. Cool. Oh, well. Guess it's not very cool. So it's just not working. Oh. Oh, I did forget to, okay, I see why it's not working. Because you need to set the registered spawnable prefabs, you gotta set it there. Wow, I really love working with networking. Love it so much. I definitely don't want to die right now. It's fine. Okay. See, this is working now. Oh, it is. That is absolutely insane. Okay. Sweet. Okay, so it's only calling these functions on the correct things now. Everything's working. Cool. Now, first thing I want to try to do. I want. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Public. This doesn't make any sense, does it? So, like, what are you supposed to put in here? On validate, start, late update, on destroy. Networking is not initialized on this fire. Okay, so I think the first thing that we can do is scene management. Okay. server system callbacks on server connect when a client connects. Okay. If network player, or if conduct on client, already on client disconnect, on client connect. Or else base single since we don't have to cast a server. Okay, so we're gonna say public void, or void, it's not a method. Public static const final. Oh man, I don't know how to. Yeah, that's right. Why is it like? Oh, it's just trying to. Okay, I'm like losing my mind. I'm like, surely constant. Like, I'm not going insane, right? Like, constant exists, but there we go. It is. It's just auto completing anyway. So I need to auto complete. All right. Hold on. I'm like playing Summoner Shore. Okay. Expected client version. Oh, I should probably say, no, not static, string. It'd be 0. Oh yeah, okay. Pre-alpha v 1.0.0 0.1.0. Public. Okay, we don't need it to be constant. Oh, it doesn't really matter. Okay. So we can check what game version it's on. Public void check version. Region commands and region, just so we can organize things a little bit. Region, client, RPCs, and region. You know, this stuff is starting to come back to me now. I'm kind of starting to like remember a lot of this stuff. Alright. That's why I'm not in like a networking major. Oh my. Okay, check version. Play or yeah, okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm going to check version. Target RPC, public void, check version return. Yeah, changes to this CMD just so that it's a little bit easier to target return player target check version string version. All right, static. Yeah. Client version, or sorry, static string client version is equal to, not equal, pre-alpha v 0.1.0. Target check version. Client version. If client version is not equal to version, then okay, so then we're gonna say client network client.disconnect. Client methods. Okay. So then we can just say void. Oh yeah, this needs to be a client. Okay, void version mismatch. Version whoops. And then, oh boy, to handle version mismatch. Okay. For right now, we'll just debug.log version, or please update your game to the latest version. Log warning. All right, so, oh no. Apparently, oh, because I just put region instead of end region. Okay. That was mildly unfortunate. Oop. Okay, so nothing should change here. Except then if I build and run. Oh. Wait for it to load. Okay, so now this should all work. Yeah. Now if I change this to 0.1 and try to run it. I like just factory reset my computer recently, like the other day. It's very unfortunate. Okay. Packages. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Test. Turn-based RPG. Alright, and we can run it here. So this shouldn't actually let it. Yeah, cool. And then if I were to connect here, it would say mismatch. Oh. Okay. That makes sense. This shouldn't be like a client thing. Cool. Please update your game to the latest version. That's working. all of this, and all it does is check to see if you're on the latest version or not. Oh boy. No, it's okay. Yeah, we're an hour into this, and this is all we have. No, there's no gameplay or anything yet. Oh, okay. We don't need gameplay. It's not important. Oh, what do we need to do now? I don't actually know. So we could make like a battle system now, I guess. Cause we need to do like the actual battle system, because that's kind of important. Well, I guess before we do the battle system, we have to like make the monster system and whatnot. We have to do a lot of things. I'm trying to think of like the best plan of action. I don't know. That's fine. That's not like. Yeah, everything's fine. It's all good. Everything's good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start making kind of the monster side of things, I guess. I don't know. I kind of want to work more on like the networking side of things. But like I don't exactly know what I need to do for that. Whoop. Look at that. We just have this square going around right now. So like what I want to do is I want to create like a little town. I want to create monsters. I want to create the battle system. Well, we can work on the easy stuff or the hard stuff, basically. Those are kind of the two options. We're gonna end this stream because it's been an hour and we got done absolutely nothing. That's what I'm gonna do, I think. Because then I can create like a tile map and stuff. That's fine. Yeah, okay. Well, thank you guys for watching the stream. I know that we didn't really get a whole lot done, but we'll get more done next time maybe. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, I'll see you all in the next stream then, or video, whatever. Bye.